Today we're going to make hot pockets. First thing you need is hot oil. Get some vegetable oil, heat it up to about 350. If you don't have a thermometer, just put a piece of bread in there. When you think it's hot enough, you want to hear it sizzle. That should be good. It'll start shimmering once it's really hot. Like I say, if you're not sure, put a piece of breadcrumb in there and you should hear it sizzle. Let's make our pocket. Okay, all you need is a tortilla. I use the super soft whole wheat. I found it to be really good. I got about 1 cup of cheddar cheese here, and we're going to put some pepperoni. So just throw your cheddar cheese on there. It'll be super quick, super easy. Oh, I got another bag. As long as you have pepperoni, you got dinner. Alright, hold that up. Maybe mix it in a little bit. Come home from work, you're hungry, you're starving, you want something good. I'll just fold that up. Good, simple, fast, and cheap. That's what this is. Alright, there it is. There's your pocket. Let's put it in the oil. Okay, make sure your oil's hot again. Like I say, if you got it's best to have one of those deep frying thermometers. You want 350, 360, but if you don't, put some bread in there. You want to see that sizzling and bubbling, and that should be good. Alright, slowly put your hot pocket in there. And this is going to go quick. It's only going to take about 2 minutes. Kind of keep it from opening up. Hold it in there. Flip. About 20 seconds. Another 20 seconds on that side. It's going to be good. 20 seconds on that side. Check it out. You want it crispier, leave it in there a little bit longer. I don't like it too crispy. That's about a total minute. Take that out, drain it, put that on a paper towel. Give it a couple minutes because that's going to be way too hot. Okay, here it is. Only been a couple minutes. That's probably still going to be hot, but I'll show you what the inside looks like. Look at that. What gooiness. Delicious, dripping grease. Let's try this. Oh man. Wow. You're going to need a lot of napkins on this one. Man. Can you see how delicious it is there? Greasy, pepperoni-ish. Man. So simple. So easy. So cheap. And delicious. You gotta make that tonight.